On the last episode of our EJS prep series, we covered frame chops and axle swaps, and officially added a 1992 YJ to the roster of Jeeps making the drive to Moab in 2027. Things are heating up on today's episode, so find a comfy spot, grab a beverage, and get ready for more rigs, more mods, and more questionable decisions. Today's episode begins on a quiet backcountry road, where the peaceful tranquility of the landscape is quickly cut by the all-too-familiar exhaust note from a Jeep JK missing its resonator. Sean is chasing another Facebook Marketplace deal, and this time he scored some OEM takeoff Rubicon rock rails from a small-town seller. But before we talk about the JK, let's rewind and catch up on some of the mods that were wrapped up on Aaron's 2006 Jeep LJ. First, the boys finished running a new brake line back to the rear axle. Then Aaron called in a favor and brought in an actual professional to finish welding in his new rear axle frame side coil buckets from Metal Cloak. Aaron sent out the all-hands-on-deck message so that the crew could make easy work out of hanging his new Currie Dana 60 rear that weighs roughly the equivalent of a battleship boat anchor. Josh made a very last-minute decision to go quote-unquote camping. This is typical of a leaf-sprung Jeep owner when any heavy lifting is required. Luckily, Aaron, Sean, and Jed managed to get the axle into place without any new lumbar injuries. Located 300 miles away is the next rig joining the Moab convoy, Tony's stock Jeep LJ. Here's a quick rundown. 2006, 62,000 miles on the odometer, and only 10 months until Easter Jeep. If you're thinking to yourself, A, how in the hell is he going to build that in 10 months? Or B, where do these a-holes keep finding all of these low-mileage LJs? Well, those are both completely valid questions for which we have no answers. Let's circle back to the lone JK making the trip. Sean is committed to moving his spare tire off the tailgate and into the cargo area to maximize his departure angle. He's also planning out all of the needed suspension reinforcement brackets, starting with this Currie rear axle track bar bracket. In the next video in our Moab prep series, we'll introduce you to one more, and I can't believe I'm saying this, Jeep LJ making the trek to Easter Jeep next year. We'll also do a deeper dive into the suspension and drivetrain plans for the JK and talk about tire selection for a couple of the builds. We'll be back soon. In the meanwhile, stay frosty. Thanks for watching Trash Panda Garage. And don't forget, get out there and build something.